Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher. Okay. So today we discuss English grammar chapter 5. Topic is nouns. You know nouns, male and female. Okay, male and female. So first you open your grammar copy and book, page number 27, chapter 5, nouns, male and female. Okay. So dear student, first you give the short answer. Answer this question. What is the female for uncle? Female for uncle. Uncle का female क्या है? आंटी. Okay. जैसे father का mother, sister का brother का sister, उसी तरह से. What is the female of boy? Boy का female क्या होगा? अगर boy है, तो उसका female क्या है? First, so boy का girl. क्या होगा? Boy is a male words and girl is the female words. So this here boy is the male and girl is the female. So female words is boys, girls. So what is the male of goods? Goods का female words क्या होगा? Gauge. Okay? Goods का gauge. ठीक है? The male word is goods and another female word is this. So, dear student, look at this picture. Some picture is here. King. The female word is queen. Grandfather. The female word is grandmother. Roaster. Female word is hen. Roaster ka hen. So, first look this picture. King, queen, grandfather, grandmother, roaster, hen. So, you just know this, what is female or what is male. So dear student, we have learned that noun can have male or female form. The noun king, grandfather and rooster are male. The nouns queen, grandmother and hen are female. So now you have to just what is female word and what is male words. The names that refer to male animal people are called males for noun. For example, just you have to write in your copy what is male, what is female. Just you write in your copy the names that refer to male animal and people are called male noun. So this is called male noun. So what is male noun? For example, brother, tiger, okay, bull, etc. Okay. First, you know that what is male noun. The names that refer to male animal, you know, just male animals and people, okay, are called male noun. For example, brother. Brother is one of the male person. Tiger is animals. Bull is a animal. So you have to write in your copy and understand it. Okay. Then second thing, what is the female? Just you write in your copy. The names that refer to female animal and people are called female noun. What is noun? Female noun. For example, sister, father, like this. Like this. Okay. Excellent. So just to know about this, what the names that refer that so the student just to know what is female nouns. The names that refer to female animals, any animals or people are called female nouns. For example, sister, mother, tigress, cow, etc. Okay, just to know about what is female and what is male and what is female noun. Okay, so read this table for more male and female nouns. Just you see the picture or words. What is there? One is the male side, another is female side. Page number 28. Okay. Prince. So female side, princess, Neopi, Nice, uncle, aunt, Ganders, Gooch, boat, so emperor, empress, bachelor, sprinter, styling, mare, fox, vixen, son, daughter, ram, eve, monk, nun, count, countess, wizard, witch. Okay, so this one a male side, a female side. Just you read. Okay, just you read. Remember what is the male and what is the female. Okay, just then you have to learn read these nouns whether they are male or female. So just you we do some question answer. Okay, then others you have to do yourself. Okay, so first you open page number 29. Page number 29. Just you write a male side policeman. So policeman is a man or male. So you have to write an. Okay. Then 2 number goose. So what we read goose is the female. So we have to write F. Okay. So 3rd number bull. Bull is the male. So we have to N. Just see in this book. Okay, what is the male? What is the female? So policeman is the male. Goose is the female. Bull male. Nephew M. Brother male. Bride female. Monk. So you have to write this one M. Countess F. So M. Vixen F. So just you write here what is male, what is female. So male side we have to write F, M, then other is F. Okay. What is the other? The female side is we have to write F. Okay. So just you have to clear it. Then practice. Match each male noun with the correct female noun. Just you have to match it. Okay. Do yourself. Just you have to know what is male, what is female. Brothers. So here sister. Okay. Just I do some question answer. Just you have to do yourself and others question answer. Okay. Match is male noun with the correct female noun. Female noun. Okay. So just we convert male to female. So first brother. So what is male? Sister. What is female? Sister. Okay. Brother is a male and female is sister. Then second number Drat. Drat is the male and Duck. Duck is the female. Number third, Ganders. Gander is the male and Goose is the female. What? Goose is the female. Just you know, okay? Just 1, 2, 3 we have to do. 1, 2, 3. I just doing with answer. But 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we have to do. Another rest other are we have to do yourself. Okay? It's very easy. We have to help up this one and this one. Okay? Just all words, all sentences in this book. So you have to find out and do yourself. Okay? So the student complete it. Then number 30, phrase number 30. Just you have to see. Change the male noun to female noun and vice versa to complete the crossword. So across, down. Just a male side and female side. Okay? Just bull. Bull का female क्या होगा? Cow. So 1 number. Just male is the bull. As female is the cow. So just I write this one. Cow. Number 2 is waitress, waiter. Number 3 is the wife, husband. Number 4 tigers, tigress. Number 5 lioness, lion. Number 6 nephew, nice. Okay. Then 7 is the stallion. Stallion का mad होगा. क्या होगा? Mad. And 8 number non monk. Okay. 9 number bride, bridegroom. Okay. So just we convert male to female, female to male. Just you have to do this one. Across, down. Bull, cow. I just repeat again. Bull का cow होगा. Number 2 waitress, waiter. Number 3 tiger. Number 3 wife, husband. Number 4 tigress. Here tiger, tigress. Number 5 lion, lioness, lion. 6 number nephew, nice. Okay. Then 7 number stallion, mare, stallion, mare. And 8 number nun, monk. 9 number bride, bridegroom. Okay. So just you have to do yourself. This is the correct answer. Okay. Do in your copy. Okay. So dear student, complete this crossword. Then you have to do yourself. Read this sentence changing the female noun in male noun. First, I just example, just doing some question answer. Rest are you have to do yourself. If you don't know, then I will ask in next class. Okay. So C number, just 1 number here. My mother. Just you have to convert male to female, female to male. Mother has 2 sisters. 2 sisters. So you have to convert it. The answer. My father has 2 brothers. So just to see which place you have to change. My mother has 2 sisters. मेरा मम्मी का 2 सिस्टर है. यहाँ देखो. My father, just we have to convert a male noun. Father has 2 brothers. Here is brother, here is sister, here is mother, here is father. So we have to convert. Okay? Female to male. Just then another numbers. The headmistress of our school is very strict. So we have to convert headmistress, headmaster. Okay. Number 3, the queen of the country is very kind. Here is queen, so we have to convert king. Number 4, the grandmother goes for a walk every morning. So we have to convert grandfather goes for a walk every day. Okay. Then we have to do number 5. The priestess of the temple is shining hammers. So do yourself. This one also easy. The actress acted very well. Actress. So we have to convert actor. Okay. We number 7. We saw many lions in the zoo. Lions. So lion. Lion. Okay. Lion is the male noun, male side. So we have to write in this place lion. Then number 8. My Nancy lives in New York. Nancy. So Nancy. So this place we have to write Nancy. Okay. N-E-W-P-H-E-W. Okay. Nancy. Then number 9. My aunt is a dancer as well. Aunt. So we have to write uncle. Okay. The 10 number. The cow is eating grass. The bull is eating grass. The bull is many words. So we have to do or convert a male side. Okay. So this one also completed. Then change the noun in color from male, female और from female to male. Okay. इसको हम एक कुछ कलर्स में दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. देखो. So इसमें हम लोग क्या है मेल अगर रहेगा तो उसको फीमेल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और फीमेल रहेगा तो उसको मेल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So just for example, just I do some numbers. Okay. Then you have to do yourself. Okay. So dear student, just for example, change the noun. Change the noun in color from male to female or from female to male. Okay. So dear student, first you understand it. Change the noun in color. One of the red color is here. Okay, red color. From male to female, male to female, or from female to male. You have to convert. Okay. Then you have to do first number, the headmistress. Headmistress called the student to the office. So how we convert? The headmistress is red color, so we have to write headmaster. Okay. So the answer is that you have to convert a female to male. The answer is the headmaster. Headmaster called the student. Students to the office. Okay. So the student first you understand. This is the convert female to male. The headmistress called the students to the office. The answer is and the convert with the female to male. The headmaster. Headmaster is a female person. So headmaster called the student to the office. Okay. So just to know number 1 how we convert. Okay. Then another number we have to do, which is the right answer. Okay. Number 2. Let's see the man. The man. Man is the male person. Client. The ladder. What? Ladder to rescue. Rescue the kitten. Okay. Kitten is the female person. Okay. So the man climbed the ladder to rescue the kitten. So here we have to write the correct word, the woman. Just you accent or change man to woman. Woman climbed the ladder to rescue the kitten. Okay, just you have to change it man to woman, man to female. Okay, so another number you have to do also. Just see your book. I will request my uncle. Here you have to write uncle's aunt to buy me the storybook. The fourth number, the prince wrote a poem which became very popular. So we have to just change princess, prince, princess. Number 5, the man is the stable was afraid of the storm. So just we have to write horse, mare, horse. Okay. Then 6th number, the bridegroom finishes dinner before the ceremony. Bridegroom. So we have to write bride, B-R-I-D, bride. Okay. Then 7th number, our landlord has decided to sell the house. Just I do not do in this question answer, so you have to do yourself. Landlord, what is the female's word? Okay, landlord is the male words, what is the female words? So we have to do yourself. Number 8, Mrs. Jacob asked the girls to prepare. So just a song from the event. So girls side you have to just include or change boys. Okay. So convert girls to boys. Boys is the male noun. Then 9 number, will your father know the way to the theater? The father place we have to just write mother. Convert to father to mother. Okay. Number 10. How many times has the policeman warned the robbers? Policeman, which plays police woman. Okay, police woman is the right answer. Then 11 number, the nuns organize a charity event in the villagers. Nun, monk. You have to write M-O-N-K. M-O-N-K. Okay. Then 12 number, my grandfather baked a cake and my grandmother knitted sweater to my birthday. So grandfather, which place we have to write grandmother, and grandmother's place we have to write grandfather. Just you convert this one to this place and this one to this place. Okay, we have to just complete this one, and you know about which is the female noun and which is the male noun. Okay, just the chapter is completed, male and female. Okay, so you just now, and we have to know, we better know which is the male side, which is the female side. Just do yourself in your room. If any doubt, I am here, and I will ask a question or answer. Okay, next time. So dear student, our English grammar chapter 5 is completed, and I hope you have to understand better. So dear student, for last warning or one of the information for you, a coronavirus is spreaded all over India. Now the 1 lakh 19,000 some affected or positive cases in India. Okay, and now in Odisha also more than 2,000. So dear student, stay your home and be safe. Okay, and clean your hand in your hand washes. Okay, and sanitizers. So dear student, and see all the visualization for our online classes.